What's the meaning of caesium? Caesium. Caesium.
Caesium. Caesium. Caesium, also spelled cesium, is a soft, silvery golden alkali metal with the atomic number 55. It is highly reactive and can spontaneously ignite in air, making it a hazardous material. Caesium has various industrial and scientific applications, including in atomic clocks, petroleum drilling, and environmental monitoring. It is also used in the treatment of cancer patients. Due to its low natural abundance and high reactivity, caesium is difficult to obtain and handle safely. Despite its limited practical uses, research into caesium and its properties continues to provide insights into fundamental physics and chemistry.